In the stillness of your day, take a moment to pause and reflect. Inside you lies a powerful journey waiting to unfold. A journey toward a better, more fulfilling life. It's time to confront the challenges and embrace the changes that will lead you there. Firstly, acknowledge your feelings. Begin by recognizing where you are. What are the feelings or situations that make you unhappy? Accepting your current state is the first step toward change. Define your vision. What does a better life look like for you? Spend time envisioning your ideal future. Write down your dreams and desires. Having a clear vision will guide your actions. Set realistic goals. Break down your vision into achievable goals. Use the SMART criteria: specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. Setting clear goals gives you a roadmap to follow. Take action. Start small. Each day, commit to taking one action that moves you closer to your goals. Consistency is key. Even minor steps can lead to significant changes over time. Surround yourself with positivity. Evaluate your environment. Surround yourself with people who uplift and inspire you. Build a support system that encourages your growth and keeps you accountable. Embrace failure as a teacher. Understand that setbacks are part of the journey. Instead of fearing failure, see it as an opportunity to learn and grow. Each challenge offers valuable lessons that contribute to your progress. Practice self-care. Prioritize your mental and physical health. Engage in activities that nourish your body and soul, whether it's exercising, meditating, or pursuing hobbies that bring you joy. Reflect and adjust. Regularly assess your progress. Are you moving toward your goals? If not, don't be afraid to adjust your approach. Flexibility allows you to navigate obstacles more effectively. Celebrate your wins. Take time to acknowledge your achievements, no matter how small. Celebrating progress boosts your motivation and reinforces positive habits. Stay committed. Transforming your life is an ongoing journey. Stay committed to your goals and remind yourself why you started. Persistence will lead you to the life you desire. Fixing your life is a gradual process filled with ups and downs. Embrace the journey, trust in your abilities, and be patient with yourself. Remember, you have the power to shape your destiny. Rise up and take the first step toward the life you envision. You are capable of amazing transformations.